The bike market right now is all over the place. Prices are wild. You can see a shovel head for $3,000. You can see one that's in worse condition. The dude's asking $7,000. Bikes have a numeric value based on investment and numbers, right? But there's also a sentimental value. This IronHead right behind me, right? A lot of people might see that, be like, that's a heap, right? This guy that brought this in, there's a sentimental attachment to it that is worth more than money to him. This came in as a barely rolling basket case, motor half apart, just a mess. Someone who didn't know what they were doing had tried to, was trying to rebuild it, mismatched pistons, everything. Half the motor was in a crate with a bunch of other parts. Half the parts don't fit with the wrong shit. So I tell him, man, this bike is not worth bringing to us to have put back together and rebuild it and have it running. Meaning, the market value of this bike, what this bike you could sell it for, is going to be less than what you're going to put into it right now. And I went over this with him literally like 5 times. I said, it's not worth doing this project. Sell it to somebody that's got a bunch of time, wants a project, is doing it themselves, isn't paying a shop hourly rate to get it done. Just get out from under it. It's not worth it. But to him, he had a sentimental attachment to the bike. It was worth it. So I can go to bed, put my head down. No, I didn't, rip a dude off. There's a lot of shops with no scruples that just love to screw people. We ain't one. But there's not a lot of people that work on old bikes, especially old IronHeads around here. So I'd be screwing the guy if we didn't do it. You know what I mean? So he knew going in that he's going to be spending more than the bike's worth. So all good. With that said, when you see a bike that you don't like, mind your business. Shut your mouth. Don't worry about it. It's not your bike. You don't got to worry about it. There's a lot of people be like, oh, that bike's garbage, blah, blah, blah. Shut the fuck up. Mind your own business, because you don't know who you're talking to. You might run into the guy that's going to knock your teeth out. And I hope he does. You know what I mean? Just shut your mouth. Mind your business. It's that simple. You might be shitting on something that somebody loves and has an attachment to that you don't know, that you don't understand. Ask yourself before you open your mouth, before you run your mouth, what have you done that warrants you being able to judge somebody else's stuff? Only time I'll speak up about something is if you see something that is completely dangerous. They're trying to sell a bike that's like completely dangerous, could kill somebody that doesn't know better. Then you'd be like, hey man, that neck looks wonky, bro. Don't, fix that before you sell it, whatever, or disclose that before you sell it. That said, again, what's a bike worth? It's what it's worth to you. That's it.